So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get logged into your MakerMade Marketplace account after you've already registered. And if you haven't, make sure to do that, and then you can go ahead and log in. So today we're going to be logging into the MakerMade account. Alrighty, so once you're logged in, what you're going to want to do is go over to Store Manager right over here. Now this is going to bring you to your dashboard, and there's a lot of different things you're going to be able to see once you start getting your marketplace up and at it. So you can scroll down and see all these different things, some store analytics, some sales by product. It's really cool, and you can definitely get into the nitty-gritty once you start selling some different project files. But today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your marketplace in order to get it ready to start putting products in. So once you go over to all these different tabs right over here, we're going to want to go down to Settings. Settings is going to be where you're going to put your banners and the name of your store, all the different stuff right here. So you see that we've already kind of gotten most of the store set up. I'm going to show you how we did that. So you're going to want to go ahead and put in your store name and also your store slug. And then also make sure to put in your store email so that people can contact with you. Store phone, optional. The only two that you're going to definitely need are store name and store slug. Now for store logo, you can put in anything you want, just something that represents your store itself. And if you go and you look at these question marks right here, this is the preferred size for the pictures you're going to put in. They have that for the store banner and mobile banner also. You definitely want to look at that to make sure that your picture matches that so that people are able to view it. So then you can go down here and you also, like I said, have your store banner, and then you also have a mobile banner for people who are on their phones. You can go ahead and put all these pictures in here, the store list banner. Now for the store description, you're just going to want to put a short description of the types of things that you're offering, from CNC project files to 3D printer project files. Now for store visibility setup, you can kind of customize this your own way. So we have the store name positioned at the header, but you can go ahead and do it on the banner also. For the projects or the products per page, you can go ahead and customize that any way you want. Now, we also have some different choices around here. So we have hide email from store, hide phone from store, hide address from store. So like I said, you can customize these anyway. But when we get down to hide policy from store, we do ask that if you have a return policy at all, that it be a maximum of 7 days, just so that we're able to streamline the returns the correct way. And then if you don't have a return policy at all, you can go ahead and click hide policy from store. But I'm going to go back up. Oh, and before we do that, just make sure you click save. So that saves all the changes that you've made to your store so far. Now we're going to head back up, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about the policies. So for store policies, it's going to be right over here. And like I said, if you do have a store policy, for shipping, there should be no problem because we're doing project files and services. But for refund or return and exchange and cancellation policies, you can put either one of those in here if you have a specific policy. And like I said, if you don't, then just go ahead and hide it from your store. Now we do have some other sections right over here. For location, that shouldn't be something that you have to fill out. If you do want to fill it out, you can go ahead and fill it out, but we don't have it filled out here. For payment, we have choose withdraw payment method, and then you can do PayPal or Stripe. Now, like I said, for shipping and everything like that, shouldn't be a problem, just like the location and the other things, just because we're doing project files, so we shouldn't really be shipping anything. SEO, now you can go ahead and link some of your Facebook and Twitter to your pages. If you have those things that you want to link to your shop. We already went by store policy. And then customer support, that just gives your customers the option for if you want them to be able to get in contact with you to ask you anything about your project files or anything like that, you can go ahead and fill that out. Now, like I said, this video is just going to be a quick tutorial on pretty much how to get your whole store set up. And those are going to be the most basic parts of getting your store set up so that you're able to post your project files. And also, while you're doing all that, I encourage you guys to look through these different areas right over here on your dashboard, just to see the different things that you can look into while running your shop, like finances. Because our project files so far are all free for $0, there's not going to be much finances, but for you guys, these are going to be good and important to be using. And other than that, the next video will be on how to post your products on the website, so look out for that one.